class also. Now, in the 19th problem, Bontaya keeps his book on single interest system from the following particulars: prepare trading, profit and loss account, and the balance sheet as on the same date he has asked. And he is giving us, as on 1st January 2015, his assets and liabilities were as follows, he said. So he gave stock, debtors, machinery, furniture. These four are assets, whereas sundry creditors and bank OD is a liabilities. And next he gave the cash book given in the following information, and he gave receipts from the debtors, cash sales. These two are receipts. And whereas payment to the creditor, cash purchases, interest on a bank OD, salaries, drawings, general expenses, rent, etc. These all are the things. So here has given us the total payments and receipts he has given, but a proper format is not given. So that means, like, comparative to the yesterday's problem, yesterday he gave us a clear presentation of the cash or a bank book, and the opening like balance sheet we have done it. But here, apart from opening balance sheet, extra we have to do is even a cash book also we have to prepare, because compulsory when the information is given related to the cash book, we have to prepare a cash book. Why? Because it's like here we are going to get some information from this one. We will get a closing cash in hand or a cash at bank. So that again will go to the balance sheet. Now that is the reason when the cash related information is given, you have to go for preparing cash book compulsory. Next, apart from that, he gave two paragraphs, separate paragraphs. So first paragraph tells about us, that is discount allowed to debtors 4,000, discount earned from creditors 2,500. One more, goods worth 3,000 were returned by customers, which is sales returns, and goods worth 1,500 were returned to supplier, which is purchase returns. So this is a new information compared to the yesterday's problem. On December 31st, 2015, his position was as follows. Stock he gave, debtors he gave, bills receivables, bills payable, machinery, furniture, sundry creditors, salaries outstanding. And he is asking us to find out depreciation on machinery and furniture 10% and 5% respectively. So first, foremost, like yesterday, we are going to start with the preparation of statement of affairs opening. So this is our 19th, and 20 will be your homework. You have to do it. Affairs as on 1st January 2015. So here this will be, everyone have the first paragraph information, that is on 1st January 2015 అన్నాడు కదా, that information you people are going to tell me. So first here I'm going to take liabilities, amount, assets, amount. So what is that he gave first information? He gave stocks under data. So asset information he is giving us. So that's what I'm taking. So that is stocks, which is he gave 50,000. Then sundry data he gave me, sundry data he gave me 60,000. Then he gave, sorry, machinery. Machinery also it is 60,000. And then he gave furniture. Furniture which is 5,000. And the next two items are related to the liability side. That is salary, creditors,
Credit
which is
bank
yeah, sundry creditors is of 30, and bank OD is 10,000. Now please calculate and tell me. 60, 60, 120, 120.
1,75,000.
Yeah, 1,75,000 minus 40, it will be capital, that is balancing figure is equal to
1,35,000.
1,35,000. So the total will be 1,75,000. That's it. Now once this one is done. Now yesterday it was very clear. He gave us the cash books, but here he didn't give us a cash book no. So here I have to find out a cash book because I have to know what is the closing balance of that one. Is it a favorable bank OD I got, or is it I got a unfavorable? So I have to see that. That is the reason compulsory here when the cash information is provided, we have to prepare the cash book compulsory. So that is what here I am doing now. Because he gave me the information related to the incomes and expenses, but he didn't give me the proper procedure and he didn't told me what is the balance I'm getting. Is it a favorable I'm getting or unfavorable I'm getting? He didn't give me the information. That is the reason I'm going for this kind of a thing. So here I'm going to write cash or bank account. So in this one, first we are going to have cash is a real account. So all the receipts will be on the debit. So receipts, account, then amount, then payments, amount. Now first two items are related to the receipts. So what we are going to now before that one, epudaina cash means we'll have definitely favorable or unfavorable to balance brought down or by balance brought down. No, so that's why just check it up. Do we have anything? So here just Seema, he gave just check a statement of affairs, previous statement of affairs, previous statement of affairs. బ్యాంక్ క్యాష్ ఇన్ హ్యాండ్ ఏమైనా అసెట్ లో ఉందా చూడాలి. నో. లేదు. అట్లీస్ట్ బ్యాంక్ ఓడి ఉందా చూడాలి. Yes, bank OD is there. So what we'll write here? By balance brought down, which is OD. OD, how much it is? 10,000. అంటే ఇక్కడ we had a unfavorable balance అని అర్థం. Now, next we are going to see here. First he gave two, we got a money from debtors itself. So how much we got a money from debtors? It is 80,000 we got it. Then two sales itself. So two cash sales, which is 30,000. I took these two things. Now I'll go for other things. That is, rest all are payments only. So what I'll start by creditors. By cash purchases, 25,000. Then by interest on bank OD, which is 1,500. Then by salaries, how much it is? 5,000 kada? Then buy drawings, which is 4,000. Then buy general expenses. ఈ క్లాస్ లో శ్రీప్రియ ఉందా? శ్రీప్రియ.
No, ma'am.
Next, last is rent. So rent is how much? 200. That's it. Now please total it and tell me how much. So 80 plus 30 వచ్చేసి 1,10,000. ఇవి చూడండి 10, 40, 50, 50, 75, 75, 80, 80, 90, 200, 94, 200, 97, 700. ఒకసారి చూడండి నాన్న ఎంత వస్తుంది?
$95,700, ma'am.
Yeah. So higher total is 1,10,000 కదా. సో ఈ రెండు మైనస్ చేయండి. So balance will be how much? Balance obviously మనకి favorable balance.
14,300.
Right. So by balance carry down, which is balancing figure. So ఇది మనకి కావాలి, అందుకే మనం ప్రిపేర్ చేసాం. సో ఇది మనం తీసుకెళ్ళి బ్యాలెన్స్ షీట్ లో వేస్తాం. ఏమని? దట్ ఈస్ క్యాష్ ఇన్ హ్యాండ్ ఆర్ క్యాషియర్ బ్యాంక్ అని వేస్తాం అనమాట. ఓకే. ఆర్ అనుష ఉందా ఈ క్లాస్ లో? లేదు కదా ఆర్ అనుష? మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఎవరైనా జాయిన్ అయితే వాళ్ళకి మీకు మెసేజ్ చేసి జాయిన్ అవ్వమని చెప్పు. నేను మిగతా ఎవరిని అటెండ్ చేసుకోవట్లేదు. ఎవరైనా జాయిన్ అయ్యి లేట్ జాయిన్ అయితే ఫస్ట్ ఫ్రెండ్స్కి ఇంటిమేట్ చేయాలి. నాకు వాళ్ళు చాట్ బాక్స్లో పెడతారు, మేడం వెయిటింగ్ రూమ్లో ఉన్నారని. అప్పుడే నేను అడ్మిట్ చేస్తాను. నౌ ఆన్వర్డ్స్ ఐ విల్ ఫాలో దిస్ ప్యాటర్న్. టోటల్ డేటాస్ అకౌంట్. సో టోటల్ డేటాస్ అకౌంట్ లో particulars amount, particulars amount. Okay. Now debtors being what? Part of asset or liability? Asset kada.
Asset.
కాబట్టి ఫ్రమ్ ద ఓపెనింగ్ బ్యాలెన్స్ షీట్ డేటాస్ వాల్యూ ఎంత చూసుకుంటాను. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ 60,000. దెన్ నాకు లాస్ట్ లో అడ్జస్ట్మెంట్ ఇచ్చాడు కదా, అందులోంచి క్లోజింగ్ నేను వెతుకుతాను. సో క్లోజింగ్ బ్యాలెన్స్ క్యారీడ్ డౌన్ ఎంత? ఓకే, ఐ హ్యావ్ అడ్మిటెడ్. అట్లా మెసేజ్ చేస్తేనే అడ్మిట్ చేస్తాను నాన్న, బికాజ్ సి సెక్షన్ లో చాలా డిస్టర్బెన్స్ ఉంది, కొత్త వాళ్ళు ఎవరు జాయిన్ అవుతున్నారు. 70,000. అందుకే శ్రావ్య హ్యావ్ అ లిస్ట్. ఫైన్. నెక్స్ట్ debtors. Yeah, debtors. Usually yesterday we had this one, and now I said from opening statement, debtors opening I took it. Now okay, fine, 60,000 I got it. Then I will see in the next adjustment account which I prepared, that is cash book. So in this one I'll see, do I have any debtors there? So if I see the debtors is standing on the debit side, so first time he is on the debit side means second time they will be on the which side?
Credit side.
Yeah. So
Credit side.
account, yeah, from which account I'm taking it? From the cash. So I will write cash account. The how much is on? 80,000. Now this is done. Next one.
80,000.
Yeah, after cash book, textbook lo after cash book manaku chinna paragraph undi. So that I'll see, do I have any related information? So discount allowed to debtors, it is there. So as I always say, discount will be where the cash is. Do I say it or not? So cash is on the credit side.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
discount also will be on the same side. So how much discount we allowed? Some 4,000. Now this is done. Discount earned from creditors. So when I prepare a creditors account, then I will find it out. So that's why leave it. Goods worth 3,000 were returned from customer section. So goods worth 3,000 have returned from customers. So it's again a sales returns, no? So sales returns I'm going to write as by where the cash, almost all the adjustments will be on the same side. Remember that one, okay? So sales returns of 3,000 also I'm writing here on this side, okay? Now total it and tell me how much is the cash. 80,000 plus 70,000.
1,57,000, ma'am.
1,57,000 minus
1,57,000.
yeah. So ఎంత వస్తుంది?
97,000, ma'am.
Yeah. To credit sales, that is 97,000 I'm going to write, and here I'm going to write in a bracket as balancing figure. Okay, fine. Now this is done. So this total is here, it is 1,57,000 annao kada. 57 or 67?
Yes, ma'am.
67, sorry. 1 lakh.
57. Yes.
Yeah, right. Done. Now same manner we are going to prepare for total creditors also, no? So the next one I'm going to prepare is total debtors. Now creditors being what? Creditors being a part of asset or liability?
Liability.
So liability opening balances will
Liability.
be on a any Bhavani Vaishnavi is there in the class? So by balance brought down, I will check it from the opening balance sheet. So creditors 30,000 is there. So 30,000 I'm writing. Again I'll go for the next one, closing. So I will write here to balance carry down as 25,000 here. Creditors, yeah, closing 25,000 I took it. Now I will go for checking out in the next book, next immediate book. So debtors debit side ఉండే creditors credit side ఉన్నాయా లేదా చూడండి. ఉందా క్రెడిటర్స్ బై క్రెడిటర్స్ ఉంది కదా. సో అట్లాంటప్పుడు ఏం రాస్తాం? టు క్యాష్
Yeah.
40,000.
Right.
Then again, in the next paragraph, we have what, ma? We have discount earned from the creditor. So I said very simple. Where the cash, there the discount. So here, to discount received, it is something, how much amount? 2,500. Then again, to purchase return. So here, purchase returns, it will be how much? 1,500. That's it. We will not have any other things. Now, tell me what is the difference?
69,000, ma'am.
Yeah, 69,000 minus 30 is equal to obviously 39. Yeah, 69,000.
Yes, ma'am.
Here also it is 69,000. So therefore, here it will be by, sorry, what we call by credit purchases as 39,000, which is balancing figure. Okay, now this is also done for us. So here next what we are going to prepare, now we'll get into the actual process and matter. So what is the actual process? First we'll go for preparing the trading account. So here I'll start with preparing my trading account. I now first we'll go with trading account. So that is trading account as, sorry, as on 31st. Now onwards we'll go with the last letter, year 2015. So this is my particulars amount and particulars amount. So this is my particulars amount, particulars amount. So first we are going to write what? To opening stock. So here again I'll start from the first one. So again I'll start from here, that is to opening, from the opening balance sheet I'll get the opening stock. So to opening stock, how much is the opening balance sheet lo undi? It is
50,000.
Yeah, right, 50,000. Then I'll go with the next is to purchases. So purchases will go for what? Cash and a credit kada. So how much is the cash he gave? Cash book lo chudali. Cash purchases, cash book lo chudali. It's 40,000, I think, no?
25,000.
Oh, 25,000.
Yes, ma'am. 25,000.
Okay. Plus credit, how much we got total credit as loans వచ్చింది? Credit purchases, that is 39.
Yes, ma'am.
Now ఇంకా వర్కింగ్ నోట్స్ అవ్వలేదు. సో ఈ రెండు యాడ్ చేస్తే యు ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు హ్యావ్ 64,000. సో 64,000 అయిపోయింది కదా. 64,000 అయిపోయిన తర్వాత మా యూ హ్యావ్ వన్ మోర్ అడ్జస్ట్మెంట్. వాట్ ఈస్ దట్ ఈస్, ఇన్ ద పారాగ్రాఫ్ వీ హ్యావ్ గాట్ అ పర్చేజ్ రిటర్న్స్. డిడ్ యూ గెట్ ఇట్ ఆర్ నాట్?
Yes, ma'am.
మరి అది మైనస్ చేయాలి కదా. సో ఇచ్చినప్పుడు, సో దాట్స్ వాట్ వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు
1,500.
యా So 1500 will minus. So 1500, how much it will be minus just 62,500 వస్తుంది అనుకుంటా. అంతేనా?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now this is done. Then next I'll go for what? Sales. So sales కి కూడా ఇదే ప్యాటర్న్ మీరు అప్లై చేస్తారు. So sales minus sales returns. So first sales అయితే అన్ని కలిపి యాడ్ చేయాలి కదా. So that is by sales. First cash. So cash book లోంచి cash sales చూడండి నాన్న. How much? 80,000 I think. 80 కదా?
80,000.
30 sorry. 30.
30, ma'am.
Yeah. Plus credit sales we got from 97. So 97.
Yes, ma'am.
Now
1,27,000.
so 1,27,000 here again in a column because we have sales returns also 1,000. Then sales returns, which is how much it gives sales returns manaki? Sales returns is 3,000.
3,000.
So when we
3,000.
minus, you will get 1,24,000.
1,24,000.
Okay. Now then we'll go with the last one is closing stock. So by closing stock నాకు పారాగ్రాఫ్ లో దొరుకుతుంది. క్లోజింగ్ స్టాక్ నాకు పారాగ్రాఫ్ లో దొరుకుతుంది. సో ఫస్ట్ ఇమీడియట్ గా స్టార్ట్ చేశాడు 45,000 అని. సో నౌ యాడ్ అండ్ టెల్ మీ హౌ మచ్ ఇట్ ఇస్. 45,000 అంటే 69, 1,69,000.
1,69,000.
ఆబ్వియస్లీ గ్రాస్
Yes,
ప్రాఫిట్
ma'am.
వస్తుంది. గ్రాస్ ప్రాఫిట్ ఎంత వస్తుంది చూడండి నాన్న. 1,69,000 is the total. 69,000 is the total.
56,500.
Yeah, right. So here to gross profit is equal to 56,500.
6,500.
So this we call it as balancing figure. Now we got this one. Now next we are going to go for what? Profit and loss account. So profit and loss account low, we are going to go with one more thing. So profit and loss account. Again, you people here cash book becomes very important. So మనకి ఏమేం కావాలో అవన్నీ తీసుకోవాలి మనం cash book లో నుంచి. అందుకే cash book becomes very important for us. So that's why so here I'm drawing as profit and loss account as on 31st 12 2015. So అలా తీసుకుంటే this is particulars amount particulars and this is amount. So అయిపోయింది. So first we have taken gross profit from other side, no? So by gross profit
56,500.
56,500. Okay, fine. Then I'll go with the opening balance sheet. నాకు ప్రాఫిట్ కి సంబంధించినవి ఏమీ లేవు. సో దెన్ ఐ విల్ గో విత్ ద క్యాష్ బుక్. సో క్యాష్ బుక్ లో ఏమైనా ఇన్కమ్స్ కానీ ఎక్స్పెన్సెస్ కానీ ఉన్నాయా చూసుకుంటాను. సో ఒకటి డేటాస్, ఒకటి క్యాష్ సేల్స్, రెండు మనం వాటి వాటి ప్లేసెస్ లో సెకండ్ పోస్టింగ్ అయిపోయింది. Then I will go to the payment side. I'll check the payment side. So when I see the payment side, I have got some of the things very important. That is salaries. Interest on bank OD I'm not taking here. Interest on bank OD is also expenditure, but I'm not taking. Why I'm not taking? Because just see the cash book balance. ఈ ఇయర్ మీకు ఫేవరబుల్ వచ్చిందా, అన్ఫేవరబుల్ వచ్చిందా? అన్ఫేవరబుల్ వస్తే ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఆన్ బ్యాంక్ ఓడి ఐ వుడ్ హ్యావ్ టేకెన్ ఇట్. బట్ హియర్ వి గాట్ ఫేవరబుల్ బ్యాలెన్స్, రైట్? సో కాబట్టి ఓవర్ డ్రాఫ్ట్ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు అవాయిడ్ ఇట్. ఓవర్ డ్రాఫ్టే లేనప్పుడు ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఎందుకు పే చేస్తాం కదా నాన్న? That's the point. So that's the reason I'm not going to take. So I'll take first is two salaries. So salaries, how much we got?
There is
That is 5,000.
5,000.
Then 2. Xavier, likewise, just take a attendance also. General expenses, we have got it. So
Yes, ma'am.
general expenses, which are around 8,000. Then I'm going to take 2 rent. So 2 rent is 2,200. That is also done. Next, 2 sales returns, purchase returns, how we have taken. In the same next paragraph, I got discount received, discount allowed also. So that means I have to take that one also now. So here on this side, I'm going to get discount allowed, which is 4,000. And then I'm going to take 2 depreciation on machinery and furniture, he said. So on machinery, 10% annadu. So machinery is how much more? 60,000 kada. So 60,000
Yes.
meter 10% means 6,000 you're going to get it.
6,000.
And 2 depreciation on furniture ani annappudu it will
250.
be 250 anna. Okay, 250 done. Now on the credit side, I said discount receipt we have to take here, no? So that I'm leaving here. By someone please total it. So by discount received is equal to 2,500. So I think you will get how much? I think 59,000.
59,000, ma'am.
59,000.
9,000.
Yeah, 59,000. So 59,000 here as well as here it is 59,000. Yeah. Then net profit only we are going to get it. So how much will be the net profit means?
33,550.
Enta nana? No,
33,500.
that answer,
33,000.
textbook answer, you got it, you have done it. Adi నాకు తెలిసి రాదు అనుకుంటా. Just count it, Ray, once again. If you are getting it, well and good, but I don't think you get it. Just check it up.
Yes, ma'am.
59,000.
33,550
Yes,
only.
ma'am.
You got the same answer. Oh, fine. How much?
Yes, ma'am.
33,550.
Yes, ma'am.
550.
Yeah, please take down screenshot.
Yes,
Immediately,
ma'am.
I'm going to the next page. Everyone, please take down screenshot of this one. Did you take it? Can I move to the next one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now we'll be doing the last page. That is, we have last 2 minutes. I have to at least post the things for you people. So I'll be posting the things so that you just count it. So here, last 1 minute. How much I can post? I'll post it, right? Rest all you just do it. That is especially capitals one, I'll tell you. The rest all you can do it, no? Capital one, I'll tell you. Okay?
Yes,
So this
ma'am.
is balance sheet. So please write it down. Now capital part I'm telling. So capital, we got how much? Capital, how much we got it, Ray? We got some, ఎంత వచ్చిందన్నా 1,35,000 we got it, I think, na? 1,35,000 to this one. I'll add first profit. So profit is how much? 33,550 you said, no? Okay. Then,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah. Then I will go for minusing drawings. Drawings మనకి అక్కడ ఇచ్చినారు చూడండి. Drawings we gave how much? 5,000. So I'll minus 5,000. And you are going to find out this one.
4,000.
4,000 Anna.
Drawings 4,000.
Okay, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
4,000. Okay, fine. Then you are going to have sundry creditors, which are 25,000. Then you have what? Outstanding, you have it. Salary outstanding. You have outstanding, salary outstanding. Any moment the class may end.
Ma'am, credit